also shows that for some in this movement, there is a bridge too far. This guy was running a pedophile ring. That's something that should matter, no matter what. The other side of that is that it obviously exposes that Trump, someone who has managed to market himself as someone who isn't just in it for himself and isn't part of the swamp, is exposed now as someone who's just your run-of-the-mill, sharky salesman. I'm also concerned that we're gonna spend all this time on the Epstein files and it won't matter, and we'll forget to talk about real stuff that actually affect people's pocketbooks and how they're gonna vote.
It is very rewarding to see the snake eating its own tail here, but I think eventually he calls them and they all snap in line that we just move on.